Question number 4 of exercise 12.2, Heron's formula, class 9th. We have given a triangle whose sides are 26 centimeter, B 28 centimeter and C 30 centimeter. We have given a triangle, also a parallelogram. Triangle and parallelogram area is equal and the base of the parallelogram is 28 centimeter. We have to find the height of the parallelogram. Now first we have to find the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is what? 26 plus 28 plus 30 divided by 2, that is equal to 84 by 2, that is equal to 42 centimeter. Now what is the area formula by Heron's theorem? S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. What is left? 42 into 16 into 14 into 12. 42 prime factorization, 2 into 3 into 7, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 7, 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now make the pairs 2 square, 3 square, 7 square, 2 square, 2 square, 2 square. Now what is left? Square. Make square cutting with the root. 2 into 3 into 7 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to ja 4 to ja 8, 8 56, 112, 336 centimeter square is the area. Now triangle area is equal to parallelogram area as told you about. That is 336 divided by base into height. Base is 28. Height we have to find 336 centimeter square divided by 28 centimeter. What is height? That is 12 centimeter. Now in question number 5 we have given a rhombus like field in which side is 30 meter and its diagonal is 48 meter. We have to find the area of first this rhombus. I can consider this a triangle ABCD. Now the area of triangle ABC, this triangle. First find the semi-perimeter. 30 plus 48 divided by 2, that is 108 divided by 2, 54. What is area? Area is 54 into 54 minus 30, 24, 54 minus 30, 24, 54 minus 48, 6. Now what is 4? 3 into 3 into 6. What is 28? 2 into 2 into 2 to ja 4, 4 6 ja 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 3. Now make the pair 3 3 3 square. 2 is 6 is 2 into 3, 2 to 2 square, 3 3 3 square, 2 to 2 square, 2 to 2 square, 2 to 2 square and 3 3 3 square. Now cut the square by the root. What is left? 3 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Do the calculation. 3 to ja 6, 3 ja 18 to ja 36, 72, 72, 114 into 3, that is equal to 12, 13, 432. 432 centimeter square is the area of one triangle. Now total area is 432 plus 432, that is equal to 468 centimeter square. This is 432 centimeter square area, this is 432 centimeter square area, both areas. Now 18 cow graze in 864 centimeter square, then 1 cow graze in 864 divided by 18. Now do the calculations. That is equal to 4 8 centimeter square. An umbrella is made up of 10 triangular pieces of dimension this, 5 of different color. Now what is the, we have to find the area. First to find semi-perimeter, that is equal to 122 by 60. What is the area? Area is 60. 60 minus 50, 10, 10, 40. Now do the prime factorization. 2 into 3 into 10, 10 into 10, 2 into 2 into 10. Now make the pair 10 10 10 square, 10 10 10 square 2 2 2 square into 2 3 ja 6. This root square cut by root 10 into 10 into 2 under root 6. 200 under root 6 is the area of one triangle. Now for the 5 pieces of different color, the area is 1000 under root 6 centimeter square. First, and the second 200 under root 6 into 5000 under root 6 centimeter square. Now in this question we have given a kite like shape in which diagonal of this square is 32 centimeter and this triangle dimension 6 6 and 8. Now first find the area of the kite square area is equal to half diagonal square. Diagonal is 32, half 32 into 32, that is the area for the square 16. Now 32 into 16, 12, 192, 32, that is equal to 211, 512 centimeter square. That is the area of whole kite. Now first part area is, do the half of this, that is 256 centimeter square. That is 256 centimeter square. That is also 256 centimeter square. Now third part area is, first find the S, that is 6 plus 6 plus 8 divided by 2, 12, 20 by 2, that is 10. Now area is Heron's formula, 10, 10 minus 6, 10 minus 6, 10 minus 8. Now 10 into 4 into 4 into 8. Do the prime factorization. 2 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Make the pair 2 2, 2 square, 2 2, 2 square, 2 2, 2 2, 2 square, 2 square into under root 5. Now do the square cutting with the root. What is area left? That is 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. 16 under root, no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 square, 2 square. Okay. That is equal to 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16 under root 5. What is the value of under root 5? 2.24. Now do the calculation. 16, 224. Sorry, we have done a mistake here. That is not 8, that is equal to 2. Now we will do it, the calculations again. That is equal to 10 into 4 into 4 into 2, that is equal to 2 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now make the pair this 2 square into 2 square into 2 square into under root 5. Make the square cutting with the root. What is the area? 8 under root 5, that is equal to 8 into 2.2524. 2.24 into 8, 17.92 centimeter square is the exact area. Now in the next question we have given a design in which sides are given like this. There are 16 triangles like this, but we have to find the area of this triangle, then to multiply with the 16 and then design cost, that is 50 paisa per centimeter square. Then first find the S. 8, 28 plus 9 plus 35 divided by 2, that is equal to 70 by 2 by 2, that is 36 centimeter. What is the area? 36 S, 36 minus 8, 8, 36 minus 9, 27, 36 minus 5, 1. 36 pair, 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja, sorry, 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 2 2 2, 3 3, 3 into 1. Now make the pairs 2 square, 3 square, 2 square, 2, 3 square, 2 into 3. Now do the square cutting with the root. What is left? Under root 6, 2 3 ja 6, 2 ja 12, 3 ja 36 under root 6, 36. What is the value of under root 6? Under root 6 is equal to 2.45, that is equal to 8.82 centimeter square area. This is for one design. For 16 designs, that is 16 into 88.2, The area is 14112 centimeter square. Now cost 1 centimeter square is rupees 50.50, and for 1411.2 centimeter square is multiplied by this by 0.50. This will be 705.6 rupees. Now first draw this line parallel to this. What is this is a parallelogram we get here. This is a triangle. Now this side how much is left? 15 centimeter, and this is 25 minus 10 centimeter. No, this is 10 centimeter, this is 15 centimeter. What is this length? 13 centimeter. This is a triangle. Now find the area by using Heron's formula. S is equal to 13 plus 14 plus 15 divided by 2. That is equal to 42 by 2, that is 21. What is the formula for the area? S minus A. 21 minus 13, that is 8. 21 minus 14, that is 7. 21 minus 15, that is 6. 3 into 7 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 2 into 3. Now make the calculations. 3 square, 2 square, 7 square, 2 square. Square cut by the root. What we get? 3 into 2, 6, 42, 84 centimeter square area for this triangle. Now I can get the height by half base into height for triangle formula, that is 84. What is base? Base is 15. 15 by 2 into h, 84. H is 84 into 2 by 15. That is equal to 8. 168 by 15. That is will be equal to 11.2 centimeter. That is the height. Now area of parallelogram, that is equal to base into height. What is the base? That is 10 into 11.2, that is 11.2 centimeter square. Total, what is total area? 112 of this parallelogram and 84 this triangle, that is equal to 196 centimeter square.